So now that this part is done, it's not evenly spaced. You can see there's some bigger gaps and smaller gaps. So we're gonna go on the inside and put one piece of board vertical and space them all.
Find halfway.
We're going to cut a board that goes down just to the bottom right here. We're spacing it out. Yes, and
Just go inside to keep it simple.
we don't want to do it in a few different spots.
Because we're just going to go level.
Okay.
125 3/4.
Sure, tape does that.
62 7/8. Let's put it back up there. Just double check. Let's go all the way to the top. Can you reach higher? Shorty?
Short.
No. Get that. 62 7/8. That's the number.
Awesome.
Good math.
Measure twice, cut once.
Center of that, right?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yep.
Got that?
Yep.
Do I need to worry about this? I'm just go with it. Do we want it before I crank that in, just to make sure that it's hanging right? Yeah, those are fine.
And you set that second. You could probably set that. There you go. Alright. Now.
So am I connected to every one then? I don't need to do two in every one, do I? Or do you want me
No,
to do two?
no, probably.
Alternate?
Yeah. That spacing's good.
You want me to push up on it, or what do you want to do?
No,
Just
I
about
think
good?
it's, yeah. This one's gonna move down.
Are we just going to assume that this is...
Yep.
Should you put it to the wall? Just put it this here and go across. Yeah, I'd like to do this. No, we could work smarter, not harder. Okay, that's good. That's the right way.
Yep, so that. Do more smart.
Okay.
Yep.
It's funny, the one below is pushing so much I can't get it to move anymore. Like that didn't, yeah, that didn't.
Is this side also all the way? better now? If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.